In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to scale your Memecoin portfolio step by step. We will cover how to find early entries, manage risk, or rotate profits, and the tools you need to use. As I said many times, the best trading platform you need to use is Axiom Pro. If you want to scale your Memecoin portfolio, this is the platform you need to use. They get me into trades really, really fast. It's the best platform out there. Use my link in the description, sign up, you'll get 10% of your fees and early access to Axiom. So let's say you're starting out with like 0.1 SOL. You're probably taking trades, taking like 50% profit, but at the end, you're still losing money. So you think, what the fuck is the problem? So that's why we're going to start out with preset settings, fees, slippage, and pride. A lot of people who come to this space, they don't know about these things. So slippage is basically, if the coin moves, we have here 40% slippage. If the coin moves more than 40% up or down, I'm not going to get filled. If you have a small portfolio, do 20% slippage. Priority fee is basically how much you pay to get early than everybody else. Priority fee, I would set like 0.01. So you do not lose money. Bribe, I was doing this 0.01 bribe, 0.01 priority. I think these are the best settings for you to start out with a small portfolio. Sell settings, do the same thing as buy settings. You can turn off MEV protection. A lot of people who trade below 1 SOL are turning off this MEV because it can eat your fees as well. So the second thing, what I would do, you're probably thinking what I would do if I had a small Memecoin portfolio, how I would scale it. So I would turn on my Twitter tracker. I would sit here for 8 hours, minimum 4 or 6 hours a day, minimum. And I would sit here, wait for something really fucking good. And then I would a pin. Not everything you have, of course, but something really good. Or the other way is check out where for meta, maybe there's a coin running. There's always going to be beta plays. You probably think, what is a beta play? It's basically the same narrative, but just it's like a beta play for the main runner, for the main coin. So yeah, I would sit here for all day, wait for something really good. And yeah, so you're probably thinking, let me show you maybe an example from yesterday, something good. Okay, for example, Starship. Here you can see how I would trade. It's called scalp trading. Basically, you buy really early. Here, I have 6K market entry. Look at this. It's been up to 14K, maximum, it topped out at 15K. I'm taking profits really quick, like 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%, and I'm up. And then I sell everything off. I made 2.2 Solana by buying 3 Solanas at the 15K topper. So yeah, your strategy is here to get in really early and take profits as it goes up and you're out of the trade. Even if the coin ran, I wouldn't give a fuck. I would probably be out at 30K. I wouldn't hold it because I know these coins are not gonna moon like peanut. It's gonna be 0.01% that the coin is gonna send. But of course, when your portfolio grows, you can easily hold them for longer. But always remember, take your profits on the way up. It's the only way how you're gonna scale your portfolio. And if the coin would dip down from 6K, you wouldn't lose a lot of money because you're really early in this trade. So yeah, guys, the main thing is look for early entries, take your profits on the way up, and cut your losses early. Maximum 30% loss, maximum. Even I would say if you have a small portfolio, maximum 20%. So yeah, look for coins with volume, a pin, take quick profit, get the fuck out, and wait for the next one. There's always going to be a next one. Do not beat yourself up if you missed a runner. There's always going to be a next one. That's a big problem for people in this space, that they are thinking every coin is going to go up. They're going to be millionaires. No. So another tool you would need is probably a wallet checker, so you can see what other people are buying. Where's the volume? But do not use it for copy trading. Do not copy trade what others are buying. You're going to lose money because if you're not going to do your own research, if you're not going to have your own conviction, you're just going to lose money. So yeah, this is another great tool that Axiom provides. You're gonna need it, so you can see where is the volume. And you're probably thinking, who should I track? What wallets should I track? What Twitter handles I should track? You can get them on my Telegram channel in pinned messages. Check out for pinned messages, and you will get the wallet tracker list and the Twitter tracker list. You can simply import them here, the Twitter, and you can import wallets as well. Just copy and paste them here. So the other thing is you have to avoid rocks. You have to avoid rugs and scams, because that's where you're going to lose a lot of money. And you're probably thinking, how can I avoid them? How can I spot them? Axiom helps you. They have bundle holding, insiders holding. You can see how much is dev holding, how many snipers are there. So yeah, these things help a lot. The thing is, it's not always going to be accurate. You have to watch out for yourself. You have to check holders, who's holding the coin. You have to check the transactions, if they're not the same transactions, like doing at the same time. So if you don't know, if you're a complete newbie, you can check out my video on my channel, how to avoid rugs and scams. It's going to help you a lot, trust me. But by time you're going to just get used to it, and you're just going to open a chart, you're going to see if it's a scam or if it's not. So yeah, guys, basically we covered everything you need to scale your Memecoin portfolio. First of all, always manage risk. That's the main thing. I didn't do it when I started. I lost a lot of money. I'm just telling you from my mistakes. I hope you can learn from me. I hope you listen to me. Do not FOMO, like migrated coins. Your goal is to scalp trade. Your goal is to fucking make money quickly. Quick trades, quickly get in, quickly get out. Yeah, always take profits on the way up. Cut your losses early. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video. As always, do not forget to sign up with the link in the description. So yeah, guys, I guess I'll see you next time. Do not forget to subscribe, like the video, turn on your notifications, and yeah, peace.